How to track orders on AliExpress. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open AliExpress on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen in the AliExpress app. After you've clicked on Account at the bottom right corner of your screen, here you will find different options. Click on My Orders. After you click on My Orders, you will find all your orders. Below one of your order, you will find Tracking option. You can simply click on Tracking, and then you will be able to track your order. Here you'll find different lists. Is it shipped, delivered, or everything in here? And this is how to track orders on AliExpress app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.